Welcome to our guide on how to download and install Counter-Strike 2, the latest installment in the iconic series. Before starting the download, make sure your device meets the system requirements for an optimal gaming experience. Here's what you need. If you don't have a Steam account, let's create one together. Head to the official Steam website. Next, download the Steam client by clicking on the download link on the Steam homepage. Once the download is complete, find the installer in your Downloads folder and follow the setup instructions to install. After installing, open the Steam client. Use the search bar to navigate to the Counter-Strike 2 store page. You can either purchase Counter-Strike 2 or add it to your library if it's available for free or if you own it. Click the appropriate button. Once added, go to your library, find Counter-Strike 2, and click on the Install button. It will begin downloading. After the installation is complete, click to launch Counter-Strike 2. Set up your controls and preferences before entering the game. Congratulations! You're now ready to jump into the action of Counter-Strike 2. Remember to keep your game updated and have fun.